Hi, and welcome to today's movement break. I will be sharing with you a little bit of gentle movement that is ideal when you've been sitting for a long period of time or you just feel stagnant or your body is tense. So they're fairly accessible postures that I invite you to modify in any way that works for you. I have a blanket. I also have 2 blocks, but you don't need anything other than your precious self. Go ahead and bring yourself to a seated position. You could sit cross-legged, but for this class today, I'm gonna sit on my heels, and you could bring your blanket between your heels and your bum if you wanted to for comfort. You could also use a cushion. And just take a moment to roll your shoulders back and down and lengthen your spine. Take a deep breath in. Sigh it out and maybe soften your gaze or close your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. One more, breathe in. Breathe out. Open your eyes if you close them. Ground through your sit bones. Lengthen a bit more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Inhale through center. Exhale, bring your left ear to the left shoulder. Back through center. Inhale. Exhale, lower your chin to your chest. Maybe interlace your hands behind your neck and draw your elbows in for a moment. And perhaps you move your chin from side to side, from shoulder to shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Stop the movement at the center. Take your elbows wide. Lift your chest a little bit. Inhale. Release your hands as you exhale. Now move away from your heels. Perhaps bring your blanket underneath your knees if that helps your knees feel more supported, especially if there's any strain or pain that you find. And then see if you can start to bring yourself up. Perhaps your toes tuck under to bring you a little bit more stability. Maybe you leave them pointed back. It's whatever works for you. Now bring your hands to your low back and squeeze your elbows toward one another. Inhale. And on your exhalation, press your hips just a little bit forward, but keep your gaze forward here. Inhale to lift away from your low back. And exhale to press the hips a little forward and draw your elbows toward each other even more. Open up from collarbone to collarbone. Let your chin lift just a bit if you want to. Inhale. And now on your exhalation, bring your spine to neutral. Bring your hands down to the earth. And find a tabletop position. Perhaps you keep your blanket underneath your knees. Perhaps you move it out to the side if you don't need it anymore. But just come to a hands and knees position. And then start to bring the back of your right hand to the floor. So your fingertips are now pointing toward your knees. And you could do that with just one hand at a time, or perhaps you'd rather do both hands at once. And you can stay in stillness, or maybe you take a little bit of circles one way around the wrists, and then the other. If you're doing one hand at a time, switch. If you're doing both, stay. A couple more breaths. Last one, inhale. And then slowly flipping your palms again. You can tuck your toes under to stretch through your feet as you sit back, or you can feel free to keep your toes pointed back. And then walk your hands back toward your thighs. Inhale, extend your arms forward, make fists with your hands, and then take a few circles as you exhale. Switch directions with your wrists. And then slowly shake it out. And release your hands back down. Now on your inhalation, start to lift your tailbone, dip your belly, look forward or up. And on your exhalation, press through your hands and your shins, round your back and gaze down. Inhale to open up, arc. Exhale to round. One more, breathe in. Breathe out. Bring your spine to neutral, inhale. And then on your exhalation, start to move your knees a little further back, shift your weight forward and come down to your abdomen. Make a pillow with your hands if you want to and rest your forehead there. And perhaps you take a moment here to move your hips side to side with your legs extended behind you. Or you could also choose to bend your knees and then sway your legs like windshield wipers. But wherever you are, make sure that you are breathing. Make sure that you are letting yourself notice where movement would serve you right now, or where you can create space just by being present. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, release your legs back down. Lift your chest just a little bit and start to slide your elbows underneath your shoulders. And then let your fingertips face fully forward here. Now, if you notice that your shoulders collapse, maybe you slide your elbows a little further forward so you stay a little lower. You could also place something right underneath your chest here, so you could roll your blanket for support. But see if you can draw your elbows back as you gently press your hips forward and keep your neck in line with your spine, or if you rather gaze down. And just breathe. Let yourself take a couple more breaths. And then once that's complete, if you brought a blanket underneath you, move it out of the way. Let yourself come back down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Extend your right arm out to the side like a T, or maybe more like an L shape. Bring your right ear to the floor and then bend your left knee. Inhale here. And on your exhalation, with your left hand, press yourself over to the right until maybe your foot comes behind you. And then your knee points up toward the ceiling. If you want to open up through your left arm a bit more and through your shoulders, inhale, take your left arm up. And on your exhalation, you can let it open back just a bit, but keep your palm facing up to the ceiling as if you were holding a bowl of soup, perhaps. Couple more breaths. And then slowly, at your own pace, start to bring yourself back down. Make a pillow with your hands. Perhaps you take a moment to observe how the right shoulder feels. And then we'll take the same on the other side, or similar. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. So begin to extend your left arm out. Take your left ear to the floor. Right hand under your right shoulder, and then bend your right knee. Inhale. Exhale, press and roll toward the left this time until your right foot is planted behind you. And then draw your right knee open. You could stay, or as you inhale, lift your right arm up. And as you exhale, you could let it go back and open just a bit. Breathe. One more, inhale. Exhale. Bring yourself back down. Make a pillow with your hands. Rest your forehead down. And you could stay here for a while. If you'd rather, you can flip onto your back. Maybe you hug your knees into your chest. If you're still laying on your abdomen, you could bring yourself to child's pose. Just give yourself a moment to consider what posture you want to do here, or what you need. And then, if you're supine, so lying on your back, see if you can draw the soles of your feet toward one another. They don't necessarily need to touch, and draw your knees open. Now, if you have your blocks, this is a great place to bring your blocks to the outsides of the knees. And remember that there's 3 heights, so choose what works for you. And then you could let your arms rest, perhaps on your abdomen or out to the sides. And give yourself just a few breaths here. Letting yourself become more spacious with each in-breath and more relaxed with each out-breath. Take a couple more breaths here, just signaling to your nervous system that you're okay right now. And then once you're ready, bring your hands to the outsides of the knees and help the knees draw toward one another once again. Maybe you bring your knees into your chest and you give yourself a little hug, moving side to side. And if you haven't given yourself much love today, I invite you to give yourself a bigger hug. And maybe you give your shoulder a kiss or your knee. And if it feels odd, you do it twice. And then from there, you can start to lift yourself back up. Find a comfortable seated position. And just take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you rest your hands on your lap or your knees. Inhale. Sigh out. I hope that this little movement break helped you find a little bit of release from the tension built up through the day, and that you have found some realignment with yourself. I look forward to seeing you again in the next session. Be well.